I'm out here in Bodega today crabbing. We're gonna see if we catch anything. I just got out here. It's probably like, I don't know, maybe about 4:15. It's kind of windy. It's sprinkling a little bit. So we'll see if I'm gonna get my lines in the water and see if there's anything in here right now. It's been a big storm for a few days, so right now it's kind of calm and maybe the crabs are biting. We will see. All right, the first cast. First cast. And today I got some sardines here that I caught earlier in the season. Maybe about, I don't know, I caught maybe about 10 pounds of them one day, and so this is what I'm using. Really good sized sardines. I caught those out here too earlier, like maybe in July. Alright, got the first crab. Actually pretty quickly. I already caught a couple of shorts too, but it's a good one. Like 6.5 inch. It's a male. He's got all his he's got his claws and all his legs, so the light's probably gonna peak out around 6:37. So I'll be here till then. But they're biting right now at night. They're definitely biting. I've already caught maybe 5 shorts. So out of the 5 shorts, I got this one keeper. Yeah, so I got my 2 poles in the water, and all I've been catching is a lot of shorts. So I only got that one keeper still. It's still dark out here. It is, you guys can see, 5:46 in the morning. It's Saturday, November 23rd. It's the first boat I see coming out this morning. I've been here for maybe almost 2 hours now. It's the first boat I've seen pass by. All right, I just caught my second one. So I got one here and one there. It's taking me a couple hours, so it's like about an hour a crab. But yeah, the sun's starting to, the sun is peeking out a bit. Oh man, so I just hooked onto a seagull. It's trying to bite me. I'm gonna get this off of its neck. There you go. Yeah, so now that it's daytime, I could show you. So I'm using sardines, and these sardines I caught earlier in the season when I was halibut fishing, so catching bait in the morning for halibut, and so I saved a bunch of sardines this year. And then I also have some old fish that's freezer burned that I might use. Got my little box here with snares. I brought my wader boots and poncho today just because there was an occasional rain early when it was dark at night, and but yeah, that's what's going on over here. We got actually two Dungeness keepers still. So it's taking me, been out here for a few hours. It's about 8 o'clock maybe now, and so I've been out here 4 hours. I've only caught 2 keepers. It's the end of the day. I was already out here for like literally 5 hours. I only caught 2 crabs, but they're 2 nice keepers. Yeah, so it was really tough today. Super tough bite, and it was really like caught a lot of little guys, tons of little guys, and so I had to thin through all these little guys and try to keep these keepers, the 2 keepers that I got. But it is a beautiful day out. It was raining quite a bit earlier, but now it's really nice out. It's kind of partly cloudy. Back at the house, I just rinsed off all the rods. Always remember to rinse your rods off after being in salt water. And alright, I'm gonna cook up these crabs. I only got 2, but we're gonna cook them up. Doing a good little pound here. Alright. Good little. The water boiling. I got my crab legs. Alright, it's starting to rain out here now, and I think it is ready. Oh man, it wasn't supposed to rain anymore, but it's pouring right now. These are ready. Holy. It's pouring. All right, well that's it for today.